Hi all. So this is Mr.μ over here. So while I was going to post some task on our Discord server, Aaron Chatton let me know that some of you guys are coming to join our MuLearn server. So I thought of creating a video so that you all could join easily. So for joining our Discord server, the first step you have to do is like register in your dashboard and then get your MuID and then connect your MuID with our Discord server. So we will be covering all three steps in this video. So as for completing the first step, you will be needing to visit our MuLearn.org official website, and from there you will find a join us button, on clicking on which you will be redirected to our login page. So if since I don't have an account, I am clicking on that link, and on clicking that I will be redirected to the create account page. So over here you need to enter all your details. So for here I am entering Mr.μ@gmail.com, and my first name is Mr. Dot, and this is mu and my phone number. Make sure you guys enter your official phone number. Like this is only for demonstration purpose. I am entering a phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So for the password, I am entering my phone number itself, and I agree the terms and conditions, and I click the next step. Okay, that already exists. Let me add in a dot. Okay, let me make it a bit. Okay, oh, that's all. Okay, that's missing. All right. So once that has been done, like I will be asked for the communities I am part of. So like if you are in college, you will be part of many communities like GDSC, IEEE, etc., etc. So here from this drop down, you could create, click on the communities you are part of, and I have chosen IEEE and Kerala Blockchain Academy. And for the referral MUID, like you could enter if one of your friends has referred over you over here, like you could enter his MUID. For the time being, I am entering this one. Like it will be something similar to this, like you will get your official MUID once you are onboarded to the dashboard. So that step is completed, and for the next step I have to select which role I am currently taking. So Mr.μ is a student now, so that I am taking that role, and for the college I am taking this. If you don't see a college listed, feel free to select others, that is perfectly fine. So for the department I select this one, and I am graduating 2023. Based on your role you could select the other options also. For the time being, like there are a various number of options. For the time being I am going with this one. Okay, so my graduation year is 2023, and I click on submit. With that, the onboarding to our dashboard has been completed successfully. And as you could see below, like there we have displayed the steps for onboarding the Discord server. We will be covering that as well. So as you can see over here, just as the referral MUID we entered in the onboarding form, you will get your MUID from here. You will be sharing this with your friends in case they are joining the MuLearn server. So I have copied this, and I will be clicking on the connect Discord button in order to connect to the Discord server. For demonstration purpose, I am using the development server. You will be directly going on to the production grade server. So we are onboarding the server now. I have clicked on the that accept invite, and now as you can see, just like in the photo over here, we have gotten, like I click the join GTech Milan button, and afterwards I got a DM. So as you can see, I have received a DM from Aaron Chatton, and I will click this button. From inside there, I will be entering my MUID, and once I click submit, my onboarding procedure is completed, and congratulations, you are in. So that's the step for joining the Discord server. To wrap things up, like we had covered multiple things. The first one was we onboarded the dashboard by completing the form. The second one was like we got our MUID from over here. We clicked the connect Discord button, onboarded the Discord server by clicking on the button that was in the DM. So that was a procedure, and if you have successfully in, like you will see all these channels listed. So you can see there are some people discussing about the top 100 coders. So if you're into the server, the first step you have to do would be like to put an introduction about yourself. Like as you can see, there are people validating the same as well. Here Chaitanya has put an introduction like, "Hi, I'm Chaitanya Pisin, first year CSC student from MBCT." Similarly, you could share your name, college, if you are a working professional, your company, etc., etc. And once that has been done, you will be successfully onboarded to your our Discord server. And that's it, guys, for today. I hope you all are successfully onboarded. Anyways, let's see in our Discord server soon. Thank you all for joining.